Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have just checked into my hotel room, which is the Hilton in Mystic, Connecticut. I am staying here for one night, just doing a little kind of getaway and travel holiday in Mystic, which is such a charming Connecticut town. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a full tour of my hotel room. I've got a king-size room. I'll also review the hotel amenities that I experienced, like breakfast. I'll give some feedback on accessibility into Mystic and any other bits that I think are relevant should you be considering a stay at this hotel. So if that sounds good, let's jump in to the room tour. So I am in room number 321, and when you come into the room, this is what you see. This room is so massive. So on the left here, we have a closet in the bathroom. We have a little area for the ice bin and my phone that's charging. But let's take a look at the main part of the room. So I have a king-size room, as mentioned. Looks really nice and huge. So on this side of the bed, we have the temperature control and also this kind of creepy picture. I don't know how I feel about all these statues staring at me while I sleep, but here we are. On this side, we've got a very old school looking phone. We have a light switch, which has an American plug in it. Then over here, we've got this massive king-size bed. We've got a lovely little chair over there, a desk area, which we will go explore. Straight across from the bed, we have a TV and a chest of drawers. Then moving on over here to the desk area, I've already popped my laptop in for some charging, but wanted to make the point that you have both American plugs and USB here. We have some slightly more normal artwork. Then what is this over here? This is an interesting contraption. We've got, oh, a microwave, all right. We have the coffee machine, which is a Cuisinart. And we've got different kinds of, I think, regular and decaf coffee, some sugars, Coffee Mate creamers, all right. Coffee Mate are half and half, basically. And then in here, we've got the mini fridge, which, oh, doesn't come with anything inside, just empty. All right. Then over here, we've got the air conditioning for the room. I don't have much of a view. We're just looking out over kind of a parking lot and probably one other side of the hotel. Then on this side, as mentioned, we've got the chair. We've got another lamp on the other side, also with its own plug. Now let's go check out the closet and the bathroom. So I also should mention, because people do care about this, there is a full-length mirror nicely placed next to the door. And then in the closet, we have, okay, luggage rack, iron and ironing board. Got a lot of hangers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hangers. That's pretty impressive. And we've also got the in-room safe in here. Now let's go check out the bathroom. I always think it's weird when housekeeping leaves the toilet like this, but that's how I entered the room. I'm gonna just prefer it to be closed. I think they're trying to show me it's clean, but I believe you. We've got some really random art in here. We have just one sink, but very cool actually. Also comes with a makeup mirror, which I love this. In terms of the products it comes with, they're all the Crabtree and Evelyn products, which is body wash, a really random pure shampoo, lemon verbena body lotion, and verbena and lavender conditioner. And then over here we've got some hand soap, tissues, and what looks like a really nice mirror to do your makeup in. Really pretty lighting, which is a perk. And then if you're wondering, like I was just wondering where the hairdryer is, it's somehow, for some reason, on the back of the door. And then over here, we've got the shower, which looks clean but basic, with kind of a basic adjustable shower head so you can control the pressure. Some more soap, And yeah, just really simple, basic, easy peasy. So as far as first impressions go, I think the room looks great. It's massive, it's very clean, seems very quiet in here, so I think I'm gonna be very comfortable here. But as always, I will check in throughout my stay and let you know my honest feedback on the hotel and my experience here. Good morning. So it is like 11 a.m. now. We've just come back from breakfast. I slept reasonably well in the bed over here. What I would say is I just have some neck and back problems, and when the pillows are too smushy, it always kind of triggers like my neck a little bit. So didn't sleep as well as I could have, but that's just a very unique situation to me. The room was really quiet otherwise. The temperature control was great. The Wi-Fi works really well, so very happy on all of those fronts. We did go down to breakfast this morning, and breakfast here is great. So there are two different options. So you can either do the buffet, and then there's also an a la carte option where you can just pay separately for that. I was very lucky that someone that I'm traveling with is a diamond Hilton status, which means you get the buffet or the a la carte for free, which is a great perk. So we got that for free. I ended up getting, I don't even think I actually filmed this, which is really bad, but I ended up getting kind of 2 scrambled eggs with toast and fruit. It also comes with potatoes, but I omitted those just because I knew it would be too much food. But the breakfast buffet itself is extensive. So you have a lot of different options, starting with bagels and all the spreads to go with the bagels and a toaster. You also have scrambled eggs, which actually looked pretty decent. And you have pancakes. You also have breakfast potatoes, which are nice and crispy looking. You have bacon and sausage. You also have oatmeal, although to be fair, by the time we got there, it looked really congealed. And some toppings to go with the oatmeal. There's also some warm croissants, which didn't really look that great, to be fair. Then there's also like some extra toppings. There's smoked salmon. There's Chobani yogurts, as well as some yogurts in bowls with fruit to go with it. And there's all the cereals you could dream of, some in boxes, some not. And then there's also some pastries as well. So definitely a lot to offer for people. I think it's one of the more comprehensive breakfast buffets that I've seen at a hotel in a long time. Then after breakfast, I wanted to have a little wander around the hotel just to make sure I show you all the different amenities that you can take advantage of if you're staying here. And one thing that is really exciting is they have both a great gym and a pool. And yeah, so the pool is indoors, and it definitely feels like a bit of a sauna in there, but it's really spacious. There's lots of sun loungers. It comes with towels, so you don't have to bring those. This would be so great if you're traveling with kids. One other thing to mention is they also have an activity center for kids. It was closed at the time of us visiting, but we saw inside there were all these kind of markers and crayons and things to make artwork, and they actually have a whole board that tells you all the different activities around the pool and what time they are. So if you are traveling with kids, that could be a super fun thing to take note of for them. The gym was also super nice. It had ellipticals, treadmills, some mats for kind of stretching and ab exercises. It had a kind of water fountain in there, and also had free weights, benches, some workout balls. So really nicely appointed, you know, small gym, but really nicely appointed. So yeah, a couple other practical points about the hotel. The hotel is located literally across the street from Mystic Aquarium. So if you were traveling with kids, this would be such a great location to take advantage of that. I mean, you literally could, if you're up for walking, walk across the street. There are crosswalks, even though it is a busy road, or you could just drive across the street. So super easy. Obviously there is the pool and some of the kid center activities in the hotel, and there's a great breakfast breakfast buffet, so I definitely could see that this would have a lot to offer families. But this hotel also seems like it does a great business with kind of corporate conferences. So there are also a lot of adults around. We saw the bar was kind of happening in the evening, and because the rooms are of such a large, nice standard and the hotel is of a great quality, you could see why if you were kind of adults coming on a trip to Mystic, this also would be a great option. And just closing out the video as well, the hotel has lots of fun nautical elements because we are near the sea, so there are some fun things you can pose with, like a gigantic kind of ship's wheel and also kind of a pirate in the lobby. So just adding some more kind of fun and personable kind of quirks to it. And overall, we found the service here to be great. Everyone was super warm and friendly and accommodating. So would I stay here again? Absolutely. This is a great Hilton property. It's kind of the standard of the room and the service quality you would expect from a Hilton, but there are those nice kind of special perks with the pool, with the activity center, the gym, as well as some of the kind of the cute elements and the bar and some lounge areas. So lots of nice areas to kind of hang out in to make your stay a little bit more enjoyable. So please leave a comment down below. Have you stayed at this hotel or another hotel in Mystic, Connecticut? Sharing is caring here on this channel. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and leaving a comment below to let me know. That really means the world to me that something I created was really helpful and useful to you. And if you would like to follow along with my travel and lifestyle vlogging journey, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. You just hit that button that says subscribe, and it means you'll see all of my new travel and lifestyle videos as they appear on YouTube. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.